Hello, I'm gonna show you how to install Anaconda. It's open source for distribution of the Python programming language. It will simplify your installation process because you'll have a Python programming language, Jupyter Notebooks, and many other libraries all in one. The first thing you have to do is to go to anaconda.com and then go to download. Next, you have to choose your operating system. Mine is Windows. You have to download the Python 3 point something version. Click download. Choose where you want to be downloaded, save, and wait a few minutes before it's downloaded. I'll cancel it because I already downloaded. Next thing you have to do, go to that file you downloaded and open it. You have a straightforward installation process. Next, I agree. Install just me. Choose destination folder. Next, and click install. The installation process will be done in a few minutes. And when you did it, go to your search, find Anaconda prompt, open it, and type Jupyter Notebook. And here it is. Go to new, open Python 3, and you can start programming. It's easy. Just type something like 1 + 1 to see if it works. Shift enter, and OK. Now you can start writing code in Python. The other way you can start Jupyter Notebook is to go to Anaconda Navigator. You will have to wait about 10 seconds before it's open. You can start it here. And it's the same.